Want to see the coolest part of Miami? You won't find it on Ocean Drive. Come to Wynwood, where the walls scream with color, the food's got attitude, and creativity lives on every corner. Step into the heart of Miami's most colorful neighborhood with Bobby's Bike Hike on our Wynwood Walls Food and Street Art Walking Tour. In just 3 flavorful hours, you'll explore a neighborhood where world-class graffiti makes mouth-watering bites. From Latin-inspired dishes to globally influenced comfort food, with desserts that are as creative as the murals around you. Wynwood isn't just a backdrop, it's a living canvas. We'll take you behind the scenes of its famous graffiti walls, guide you through ever-changing murals, and give you a local's insight into the artists and stories shaping this iconic district. This walking and food tour is easy for all ages and fitness levels. Want to level up? Add our VIP craft drink package and toast the day with a trio of locally crafted cocktails or brews. And with Bobby's Bike Hike ranked top 20 food tours in the world by TripAdvisor, you know it's the real deal. So bring your curiosity, bring your appetite, and come see why Wynwood is Miami's most electric neighborhood.